Right, this is an OBD2 reader. It's basically a car scanner. It looks for faults, diagnostic faults. It tries to diagnose them. It looks for problems. Say, for instance, you actually get a light that comes on, say, an engine fault, or maybe something with your cat, or maybe something, just something air conditioning fault. You plug this machine in, and it'll diagnose it for you. It'll tell you what the fault is. It'll give you some guidance. You can even erase the faults, so I'm told. So without further ado, we're going to unpack it live and see what's inside the box.
Right, I've just got this from Amazon. It's an OBD2 reader. There are some OBD1 readers, and we're just going to unpack it live. Right, so it's going to make some bit of a noise, to be honest, from the fact that it's that crinkly, cheap recycled paper. But well, let's see what make it is. I've forgotten which make it is, but let's just have a quick look now and just see which one it is. Get rid of this lovely packaging that I'm sure you can get. Right, okay, so here we go. So let's just get rid of that without making too much mess. Let's see what make it is. Right, so this is a Motopower one. Hopefully you can see that fine. That's a Motopower one. Hopefully you can see that. This is OBD2. Don't know why they didn't use the 2 sign. Decided they're going to use another sign instead. And what it can do, it can, if I just get a bit close to the camera, it can read codes, erase codes. So in other words, if it says your engine's going to blow up, just erase that code and life is fine. Freeze frame, another text and picture, and readiness. So whatever readiness means, maybe I'm ready to drive my car, I don't know. Right, car diagnostic tool for OBD2. So it does engine, does real-time view, vehicle information. So cars are so complicated nowadays. Right, where's it made? Oh, right. Where's it made? Where's it? Country of origin? For a change, it's actually China, so not much stuff comes from there, does it? So, so that's that one. So let's have a quick look inside. Read the instruction manual carefully before operation. Well, I'm not going to have operation, but we're going to unpack it and see if it switches on. It might just take power from the car. I think they do. That's your socket there. That's your OBD2 socket, or EOBD as they're calling it. MP69033. Right, let's just unpack this and really see what it's like. And for a change, I do not need to get a knife and walk away from the screen to say it's no good. Right, let's just have a quick look here. Right, okay, so what we've got here usually, right, we have got a manual for the motor point, MP69033, and not a PDF, even got a barcode on the back so you can scan it and put it in your phone. What more do you want on that then? So let's have a quick look. Read codes, erase codes, view freeze frame, IMI, readiness, whatever that means, I don't know, PO202, well, look at that, so that's quite interesting, is that? There's some decent instructions. Right, let's look at it. When you think about it, it's quite a small box, but look how it fits in the box. There's your OBD2 connector, and there's your Motopower thing. Right, let's get out of this box and just see what happens. Absolutely nothing else in the box to worry about there. The box is whatever it is. Just in case you didn't see the instructions, there's the instructions, there we go. Right, let's just get it out there. Is it sealed? Oh, it's in a resealable bag, so I guess that when you finish, it's in a resealable bag, I was just saying, so I guess when you finish using it, you can actually reseal it and keep it out of dust and water and everything else. Right, so let's just get the final bit of unpacking done here. If I can, it'll just take me 10 minutes. Just go and have a cup of tea, everybody. Oh, let's all get into it. Don't panic. I don't need to speak to anybody else or phone a friend. Right, so just get with that as well. So there we go. Now that's not such a bad looking bad boy, is it? Got a decent cable on there, so you can actually just, I'd say the cable, if you can just see the cable there, I'd say the cable was about maybe 1.5 foot or maybe 1 metre or whatever, so it's quite a bit long. That's good. There's a connector on the end if you're looking to buy one. That's the OBD connector. Normally these are in your car and you pull off a clip under the dashboard or somewhere and you just plug it straight in. So I don't think anything's going to happen at the moment because, oh right, it's got a little thing on the screen. Oh, I'm quite impressed there. All right, so I guess that you must put some batteries in it. Maybe I don't know, but anyway, look at that. You've actually got a, well, whatever that was, it's just come off anyway. So you've actually got a screensaver on there. Yeah, you don't need to plug it in. Well, I can't do it because you need, I think it takes power from the car, which I'm sure it does, but look at that bad boy, and I've got to admit that's actually quite nice, isn't it? That is very nice looking. Well, unfortunately I've just bought an electric car, so this is probably no good to me, but I have it for a reason. VIN code, DTS, up and down, back. What a decent piece of kit that is. So if you're looking to look at sorting out bad codes on your car, resetting your car, diagnostics, looking whether the cat converter's blown up or whether you've got a blown fuse in the backlight or whatever, there you go. Well, I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and follow for more videos, and thank you and goodbye.